hasn't been that long since the last part one, but check this out. We've finally put the paint on the interior panels. As you can see, we don't have the bottom one right now on because we'd have to jack the entire frame up and put it in like that. So, but I mean, here it is right here. The job doesn't actually look that bad, so it turned out pretty good. And also about that smudge I accidentally did. Well, you don't really notice it, of course. Yeah, you can't really see it, so I guess it didn't really matter. But for the sandblasting powder coating, that's gonna be done on Tuesday, and then we'll get the car together and start doing that, so then we can do the body work. And that's gonna start on Tuesday. That's gonna be $700, which is a pretty good deal for both sandblasting and powder coating. Alright, so right now we're taking the new engine down to the barn. I'm using the old the lift that usually the car. I'm using that to carry the engine through. This thing weighs like 87 pounds, it says on the box. It's just stock. And yeah. Alright, I think I have to move the truck here real quick because we got it down here. So I think actually I'm gonna turn around here so we can drop it off. That's the old engine. Look at this thing. Got it. And of course it's in another fucking box. I mean, I got it in there. I'm just gonna put it here for now. We're just looking at it for right now. Gotta fold these back. Alright, and then behind this box, what do we have? Look at that. It's a full Predator 459, and that is way bigger than my old engine. Wow. Yeah, that thing is big. Brand new. Alright, this right here is connected to something. Connected to the fuel tank. Look at that. Never see that often. When was the last time we got a new engine? Look at that. That's a beefy engine, I'll say. I mean, the adults run it too. And that's going to add a lot more weight to our car. And I don't know about the sheet metal, it's probably be the same. Well, look how small our engine, our old engine was. And now look at this thing. It's a big step. They had grease on that there. What's this down here? Some tools for it. Got some. No, it's just something with some sort of tubing. They just put grease on there. Not sure how we're gonna figure out how to get the other fuel tank on. Now I don't think I'm gonna put it out of the box right now because I'm worried I might drop it. So yeah, that's one thing. It's very heavy. It's 87 pounds even though I bench press 100. And here, okay, so it's close to 80. So 9.5 pounds. That's the weight of the stock engine itself. look at this thing again. This thing's gonna be fun to race with. See this throttle down there. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess it was already open. It's stuck to a chain. And you just close it. Now we're not going to use this gas tank. I mean, it would be nice to, but that's a pole. I'm gonna look around. Here we have some wheels. These are brand new and slick. They have a pretty good lock. So if I just, that's pretty hard to pull. So that's good. We got brand new slick wheels. We're gonna put this, or we're gonna put the frame onto this stroller, whatever that we're gonna use, so we can move the car around easier. I'm just having a few questions about how we're gonna make it so we can put it off the car and back on. Today we're actually going to get our body panels because the people that we were going to, they were pretty expensive, so we just decided we were gonna make some of them and just get them ourselves. And also there's another thing that I would like to show, and it's more about my car and who it used to be to. Yeah, that's my car right there. The driver was anonymous, but according to my friend's dad, they were kind of somewhat called Neon or something. I don't know. They didn't really show the name, but it also used to be a Ford, and as you can see now, it's a SS. But yeah, see, so here's the difference. That's today. That's for my win, and then that's I assume that was 2021 and 2020. So 2020, my car's been around for 4 years now. So this wasn't the person that we bought it from. I'm surprised it came all the way from Lansing, and then came back all the way back to Owasso for me to race. And also there's videos of it racing as well. I'll show you guys that. It's on the old Midwest Outlaws racing group. So if we just scroll down here, so this is the feature, and that's also my friend's car there. That's his dad. He used to race in the Mini Cup, and there used to be a lot of drivers back then. So my car is so yeah, right there. That's this number 17. I'm surprised that it came all the way from Lansing, which I think it was like a 3 or 5 hour drive for us to get to where we got it from. Unfortunately, this video is very low quality. I wish I could be higher quality, but I mean, here it is. I mean, yeah, it's starting all the way in the back. That thing was pretty slow. That guy took a big jump. Yeah, this was the adult class too. There used to be a lot, and yeah, he was kind of squirming about because like he did it. My friend, he also had trouble with the car. I'm surprised that, yeah, I'm still surprised that we found this car and it actually used to race here too. So if it found itself back because of me